أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? Hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at your home. I am Rabia Naim, your maths teacher from GPS Boys Junior Wing, Model Town. Today I am going to start the first lecture of math subject for class 5. But before starting the lecture, I'll suggest you that you put your stationery like pencil, razor, your Oxford countdown book and any notebook with you so you can write the important points as well. Here is our first term syllabus, and this syllabus is also available at the school website. Inshallah, you will cover it with the help of my videos. Let's start the lecture with chapter 1, and this chapter is about the numbers and their arithmetic operations. But today in our first lecture we only discuss the numbers up to 1 billion. Hopefully at the end of the video you will be able to understand how to read the numbers up to 1 billion, how to write the numbers in figures and in words according to the International Place Value System. Further, you will be able to identify the place value of any digit from the given number. Remember that here we will only talk about the worldwide system to place the numbers, which is called International Place Value System. And earlier commas have been used to group the units, thousands, millions, billions. Now in the International Place Value chart, commas are replaced by spaces. As you have learned in previous class, that in a place value chart 9-digit number takes place up to 100 million, and we know that the smallest 9-digit number is 100 million, and the largest, or we can say the biggest 9-digit number is 999,999,999. If we add 1 to the biggest 9-digit number, we get a smallest 10-digit number. Now place this 10-digit number in a place value chart, and remember, when we place this number we start from the right side of the number, such as the last 3 digits of this number will take place under U column, T column and H column. Here U stands for units and T stands for tens, H stands for hundred. These 3 place values make a group called units. Now place next 3 digits under 1000 column, 10,000 column, 100,000 column, and these 3 place values make a group called thousands. Similarly, the next 3 digits will take place under M column, M stands for million, 10 million column and 100 million column. These 3 place values make another group called millions. Lastly, we have left 1 digit, and this digit will be written under B column. Here B stands for billion. So the smallest 10-digit number take place value up to 1 billion. Let's look at some examples to understand the following points: how to place spaces in the 10-digit number, how to write the number in words and in figures, and how to identify the place value. Let's start the first example. The first example is place spaces in the 10-digit number according to the International Place Value System, and the number is 45269182990. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में हमें एक 10-digit नंबर दिया गया है जिसमें हमें स्पेस देनी है according to the International Place Value System. The first step is we have to draw a place value chart. हमें एक place value chart को draw करना है, and then we have to write the numbers under each place value, और फिर इन तमाम numbers को इन place values में लिख देना है. We will start writing on the right side of the number as we wrote earlier. So 0, 9, 2 goes to the unit, tens and 100 place values. And then 819 goes to the 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 column. Similarly, 625 goes to million, 10 millions and 100 million column. and lastly 4 goes to billion column. Now look carefully that billions, millions, thousands and units are the different groups. We have to place spaces between these groups. हमें इन ग्रुप्स के दरमियान में स्पेस देनी है, बिलियन और मिलियन के दरमियान, सिमिलरली मिलियन और थाउजेंड के दरमियान और थाउजेंड एंड यूनिट के दरमियान. We will write the number 4 first, then we have to give space and write the digits from the million group. 526. Again we have to give space to separate the millions and thousand group. Then we will write 918. And then after giving space, we will write the last 3 digits 290. From place value chart, you can easily find out where you have to place spaces. Now read this number with me. 4 billion. 4 किस ग्रुप से है? बिलियन ग्रुप से, इसलिए हम 4 के साथ बिलियन पढ़ेंगे. And then we have second group, million group. 526 million. And then 918. Which group we have? Thousand group. 918,000. And then we read the last group 290. एक दफ़ा दोबारा मेरे साथ पढ़ें. 4 billion, 526 million, 918,000, 290. Now we do second example, in which we have to write the number name, and remember that name is always written in words. So here we have the second example. Write the number in words. 6985261,807. First of all, you have to see how many digits are there. We have 10 digit number. Now draw a place value chart and write the digits in it. 6 goes to billion group, 985 goes to million group, 261 goes to thousand group, and 807 goes to unit group. Now write the number. 6 billion, 985 million, 261,000 and 807. Example number 3. Write the following number in figures. It means you have to write the number in digits or in numbers. 8,333,446,278. Again we have to draw a place value chart to solve this example. 8 billion. 8 goes to billion column. 333 million. It means 333 goes to million column. And 446 goes to thousand column. And in the last, 278 goes to unit column. Now read this number. 8,333,446,278. Next example is about place value, in which we have to find out the place value of any digit. Example number 4. What is the place value of the ring digit in this following number? Here we have to find out the place value of 9. For this, again we have to draw a place value chart, and then we have to arrange this number in this place value chart. 5 billion, 982 million, 486,000 and 873. We can see that the ring digit 9 occupies a place in the 100 million column. Therefore, its place value is 900 million. There is another way to find out the place value of the ring digit. Write the digit as it is, and then replace all other digits on its right with zeros. So we have the place value of the ring digit 9 is 900 million. Hope you all have understood the lecture. Now here a practice sheet is being given to you. You have to solve it yourself and have to write it on a math copy. I will read this question for you. The question is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. इन द इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम 100 मिलियन इज़ अ डैश डिजिट नंबर। इस सवाल में आपने बताना है कि 100 मिलियन में कितने डिजिट्स मौजूद हैं। द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज़ 100 मिलियन इज़ द डैश 9 डिजिट नंबर। इस सवाल में आपने बताना है कि 100 मिलियन स्मॉलेस्ट 9 डिजिट नंबर है कि बिगेस्ट 9 डिजिट नंबर है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज़ द बिगेस्ट 9 डिजिट नंबर इज़ डैश। इस सवाल में आपने बिगेस्ट 9 डिजिट नंबर को ब्लैंक में लिखना है। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, अगर हम बिगेस्ट 9 डिजिट नंबर में 1 ऐड करें तो हमारे पास क्या आंसर आएगा। TM जो है वो किसकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म है। एंड द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इन दिस नंबर इज डैश। आपने इस नंबर में से 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके लिखनी है। इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन और प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज़ राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। In the next video, we will do exercise 1A from your math countdown book. Take care of yourself now until the next video. Allah Hafiz.